The Movement India, which is a non-profit organization, had organized the Walk for Freedom in various locations across India on the 15th of October 2022. The organization aims at freeing children from all forms of exploitation and sustaining them through education, to create awareness about mental health issues in India and empowering citizens to be the answer, and also to champion the end of modern-day slavery by engaging and equipping citizens to raise awareness in their world. Participating in the Walk for Freedom in Shillong were students of the Bachelor of Social Work of St. Edmund's College, Shillong, students of Martin Luther Christian University, Shillong, those from the Indian Institute of Professional Studies, Shillong, members of non-profit organizations like the Child Friendly Shillong and others. The procession, which started from the premises of St. Edmund's College, Shillong, and was flagged off by its principal, Dr. Sylvanus Lamare, covered the entire Ladumkra area to once again culminate at the college premises. The chairperson of the State Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, Yamon Siem, who attended the event as chief guest, also administered the pledge to freedom of slavery to all those present.
Slavery still exists in the 21st century.
Slavery still exists in the 21st century.
People like you and I, bought and sold as commodities. People like you and I, in this city and in this nation, we're here together in strength and numbers. We have the power to change the statistics, and we're changing them right now. This is our walk for freedom, a walk for justice and human dignity, a walk for hope and restoration. From Australia to Argentina, India to Israel, Malaysia to Mexico, the United States to the United Kingdom. We will abolish slavery with each step.
To work together along with all of you standing here, along with Ms. Yaman's aim, our Vice Principal, our Dean, the teachers of the college and the whole college, to participate in this work for freedom. Just I would like to share one thing that most of the people are not aware of. Right now in our border areas, both in Jaintia Hills and Riboy district, people are guarding every day their villages because people are coming to kidnap, especially young people, for the organs, especially kidney. So this is, you have to be aware of this. This is going on in number of villages in our border, and this is really a threat to the people in the border area.